Hello students, welcome to the online classes of St. Joseph English Medium School. Today I will be teaching you maths of standard 4th, in which your first chapter is Let's Revise. Let's Revise means you have to do the revision of whatever you have learned in standard 3rd. So we will start now. First starting is write the smallest number. Here numbers are given. From these numbers you have to write the smallest number. सबसे छोटा number लिखना है. Okay. So here are the big numbers. Okay. Thousands वाले numbers है. So first we will see the thousands place. 3, 3, 3 and 3. Thousands place में सारे numbers 3 है. Okay. So all are the same. So we will see the next hundreds place. Here is 1, 0, 0 and 0. 0, 0, 0, 1, which is the smallest 0. Okay, 1 is the biggest number. So we will cancel it. अब इस तीनों में से हम देखेंगे which is the smallest. Tens place 1, 0 and 2. Which is the smallest? 1 or 0 or 2? 0 is the smallest. Okay, so this number is our smallest number. That means 3000 is the smallest number. Second one we will do the same. Second में भी same करेंगे. First we will see the thousands place. 2, 2, 2 and 2. All the thousand places are same. That is 2. Next hundreds place. 0, 9, 9, 9. इन तीनों नंबर में 9 है. So smallest is the 0. So we will write the smallest number. That is 2099. Now next heading is what comes just after. After numbers हमें लिखना है 2436. What comes just after 2436? 2436 के बाद क्या आता है? Yes, 2437. After 36 comes 37. That means 2437. Now next is 4946. What comes after 4946? That is 4947. After 46 comes 47. Now next heading is what comes just before. मतलब उसके पहले क्या आता है? 5090. 5090. 90 के पहले क्या आता है? That is 89. That means 90 के पहले 89. And this is 5000. That means 5089 comes just before 5090. Same 6000. 6000 के just before कौन सा number आता है? That is 5999. Okay. Now next heading, write the numeral. Number names are given that you have to write in numbers. 2421. 2000. 421. 21. If you don't know how to write directly, you can make a place value chart. छोटा सा place value chart बना के लिख सकते हो. Okay, 2000 in 1000 place, 2, 400 in hundreds place, 21. 20 will be in tens place. That is 2 into 10 is equal to 20 and 1 in ones place. So we will get the answer 2421. That is 2421. Now next is 9755. 9000 in thousands place, 700 in hundreds place. 50 means 5 into 10. 5 will be in tens place and 5 will be in ones place. So we will get the answer 9755. Now next heading, write the following in expanded form. Short form में दिया है, you have to write that in expanded form. First is 7000. This is ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So 7 is in thousands place. 7 0 0 0. That is 7000. Then 300. 300, 300, then 20, 20, plus 4. 7,000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 4, that is 7,324. Now next is 2,349. Same, 2,000 plus 300 plus 40 plus 9. Okay, 9. Next heading is write the following in short form. This you had written in expanded form, which questions were given in short form. Now the questions are given in expanded form, that you have to write in short form. Here also we will do like this. We will make a place value, small place value chart, that is ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So we will write that on that place value chart. 9,000, first one is 9,000, so 9 will come in thousands place. Then 900, again 9 will come in hundreds place. Now this is 90, 9 into 10, that is 90 in tens place, and 9 ones. So our answer is 9,999. Same we will do for second one. Second question is 6,000 plus 60 plus 3. 6,000 we will write in thousands place, 6. Then nothing is in hundreds place, so we will put a 0 in hundreds place. Then 60, 6 tens are 60, so 6 will come in tens place and 3 in ones place. So our answer is 6063, that means 6,063. Now next heading is put the proper sign, that is greater than sign, smaller than sign or equal to sign. So here again we will do like this one, the same. This is ones place, sorry, not ones place, thousands place. First we will see. Both are same, so we will leave the thousands place. 3 and 3 are the same. Now hundreds place, 7 and 0. Which one is the greatest? 7 is the greatest, so we will put the greatest sign. Okay, that means 3,702 is greater than 3,094. 3,700 is greater than 3,094. Now next one, thousands place 6, same both side. Then hundreds place 1, again same both side. Again tens place same, and ones place also same. So this here will come equal to sign. That means 6,108 is equal to 6,108. Now last one is solve. Solve means whatever the signs are given you have to do, that is addition or subtraction. You have already done in 3rd standard. Okay. So first one is addition. 7 kg 234 gram plus 3 kg 946 gram. So we will add this. That means 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 is 10. 0 will come down and 1 carry over. Then 3 plus 1 is 4. Then again 4 plus 4 is 8. Then 9 plus 2 is 11. 1 downside and 1 carry over. 7 plus 1 is 8 and 8 plus 3 is 11. So our answer is 11 kg and 180 gram. Now second one is subtraction. We have to do here subtraction. 684 liter 300 milliliter minus 498 liter and 26 milliliter. So we will subtract this. Here 0 minus 6. We can't subtract 6 from 0. For what we will do here? We will cut this both 0. First we will do this 0. We will borrow 1 from here. So here it will become 2. We had borrow 1, then it will become 10. Again we need here one more number. So we will again borrow 1 from here. So 1 here go, then it will become 9. So it will become 10. So 10 minus 6 is 4. Again 9 minus 2 is 7. Then 2. Nothing is downside of 2, so we will directly write 2. Then here 4. Again we will cut here 4 and borrow 1 from here. So it will become 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. Now 7 minus 9. Again 9 can't be subtracted from 7. So again we will borrow from here. It will become 5 and this will become 17. So 17 minus 9 will be 8. And 5 minus 4 will be 1. This much you have to practice at home, and the remaining sums I will teach you in next class. Okay, thank you.